Hello guys, welcome to the Morpheus. Today I'm going to tell you how to install IDM cracked version with Chrome, which is working. So first of all, you need to go to this link here. I'll include that in the description. You need to download this file. Here it is. You can see it is downloading right now. Now I think I have downloaded it before, so I want to download it again. Yes, I have downloaded it before, so I want to download it again. Let's put that to desktop. Here it is. We need to extract it. Extract here. Now in this folder there are a lot of these files. Just need to double click on this one, authorize it with yes, then the setup will naturally open up. All the settings should be like this. Standard installation. Bear in mind that if you have installed any previous version of IDM, you need to completely uninstall it before installing this one. So here it is. Go to continue installation. Next, I'll click it at that. Next, it can work like this, but I think run internet download manager when the system startup, so I don't have to manually start it whenever I start a computer. So I'll just use this interface modification of Windows 10. Click on next. Now the IDM is installed. Now this IDM may seem a little bit different. It's just that its theme is a little bit different, but everything else will work the same as the IDM that you're all too familiar with. So here it is. I think our IDM is installed. And here it is. This is our IDM. You can see. Okay, just cross this one. Just cross this one. Okay, so here is our IDM. Now this doesn't install the Chrome extension, as you can see. If I open any YouTube video here, let me let's just say any video, let's say this one, this first on fire video. Please open up. Okay, so here it is. This doesn't show the option to download, so we need to install the Chrome extension for it. So let me copy this link so I can run this back. You need to go to this link. I provided this in a description too. Now this is the official link for the Chrome extension. As the extension is made private, it can only be accessed using this link from the official page of Internet Download Manager. So all those other extensions that are on Google Chrome are all fake. Only this one is real. Let's wait for it to okay, so here it is. Now we need to add it to Chrome. That extension is added. Let's wait. Okay, so the extension is here. Now we need to go back, restart the Chrome, put that link from before there, and you'll naturally see that pop up which indicates that your IDM is ready. See here, you can select any preset here, let's say this one, 1080p video, but that will be a little bit opaque. Let's say 360p video. Let's start the download. Sorry for the slow internet. My internet is having some problems lately. So the download will naturally start, and then you can open it up and use it however you want. So that is how you install IDM cracked version, bear in mind. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe